Good morning, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Good morning. Welcome to your morning stretch. Check in below. We have a very ambitious flow this morning. We're going to start the day with great expectations. Mindfulness, focus, breath, and I like that. Great expectations. I pray that way. I train that way. Great expectations. All right, for the day. Reminds me of Charles Dickens also. Let's bring it down onto our backs, knees into the chest. Pull them in tight. Let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. Get the breath going, warm up the body. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. 2 more breaths. You can do this routine anytime on the floor or when you wake up right away in the morning while still in bed. All right, take it side to side. Massage the lower back into the mat. Deep breathing. Let each inhale expand the lungs further. Let each exhale squeeze the breath from the lungs more efficiently. Train your breathing as well as your body. All right, windshield wipers. Tips of the toes down, by the way. I'm Batman. All right, arms out. Let's take it back and forth 6 times. Inhale, exhale. I'm going to throw some Sean Vigue classics at you this morning and also a few little nuances, some new ones that I've been teaching in my live classes that seem to have been getting a great reaction. Okay, right knee in. Let's bring it into the chest and then slightly across the body on a diagonal here. So we feel this stretch into the glutes, little IT band action, low back. You could extend the leg out if you want. That's definitely more advanced, pulling it across. This arm comes down for support so we don't fall off the deck. 2 more breaths. You're always welcome to pause the video and hold these stretches longer. And once you do them, they're in your arsenal. They're all yours. All right, bring it out to the side. Bend the knee or extend the leg, either one. I'm going to do a little bit of both because we feel differently quite a bit. Sometimes one stretch might not do much for us. The next day it is very powerful. Depends on what we're bringing to the table. All right, there's that stretch. And other side, left knee in, and then on the diagonal. There we are. Wearing my famous Walmart cap, by the way. In the nose, out the nose. Deep breathing. Without the breath, we can't do anything. And do this routine right in the comfort of your own home. Okay. Oh, nice stretch. And then take it out to the side. Keep the knee bent or lengthen, up to you. Keep this right glute down for maximum stretch. The belly should pooch out on the inhale. And then pull those abdominals in on the exhale. It's never too early to really activate the abdominals. Get your core, your center. Get it sizzling and simmering for the day. Okay. Bring the knees back into the chest for just a breath. And supine butterfly, another classic. Bottoms of the feet together. Open the hips. Take the hands here and let's press it forward. We do a little rocking back and forth. Relax the shoulders down. Breathe into the legs, into, dare I say it, breathe into your groin. Right in here, psoas, groin. Some say that is the real core, the real center of your body is right in here. I'll let you decide. Breathe into it, see what happens. Okay, arching the back, getting some back bend in here. And we're going to move into a long, with a G on the end, long bridge. So take the feet out a little longer here. Now, 2 options, I should say, actually. One is take your arms overhead, just do a full body stretch. Always good, always effective. If you want more, reach out and lift up. Let's do 5 breaths. opening up the lower back, getting that curve in the lower back, and getting a beautiful stretch right through here. Hi, Batman. There we are. Flederman. Hitting the length in the body, extending, lengthening, opening up, all the words you want to use. Words are okay, but they're rather meaningless. The actual movement is much more effective. All right, come on down and let's come up into a child's pose with a side bend. You still with me? Good to see you. Knees wide, stretch it out. So we get a long stretch in the back. Now side bend, I want you to walk the hands over to your left, cross your right arm over, and take this as far as you want. Getting that bend, you could even open it up a little bit, either direction, doing a little, see this back and forth here. Happy spine. Oh, and then, of course, oh, I gotta tuck that shirt in, you know, you have no idea. Let's go to the other side. Walk it out, cross the left hand over, hold it here, or rock it back and forth, a little twist. Good. Open up the spine. I must say it 500 times a day sometimes, but decompress the spine, decompression. Where the spine goes, the rest of your body will follow very diligently. Okay, back to the center, little stretch, take the arms wider, take an extra breath, and let me bring in the reverse scorpion. Reverse scorpion, always say it twice, like Karnak. Come down onto your tummies, not your stomachs, your tummies. Take the arms out, take this right arm, let's cross it over, right here. You could take this leg back too if you like, or keep it here, or bend it right here. But we want to focus right here, the middle back, the rhomboids, in there right in the middle section, traveling all the way down the spine in that lengthening and that twisting. 2 more breaths. I just taught this pose this morning in one of my classes, and I could hear some adjusting happening. It was quite remarkable. A lot of gasps, a lot of excited chitter chatter. Other side. Left arm over, do what you like with the lower body. Your body, you will position yourself in the most effective way. 3 more breaths. Woo. Oh, that is good, good. While we're down here, I'm gonna bring in a cobra. In yoga, that's okay. In real life, be careful of the cobra. Hands are the shoulders. Lift up. We want the back bend. Elbows in, starting to fire up the shoulders and the arms. Legs, really reach the legs back. I like to do little leg lifts here. Make sure I'm not cramping them. Also working into the glutes and the low back. All right, long downward facing dog. We'll first go to the classic down dog, and then you can make the change if you like. Here's classic down dog, sinking the heels down. The long one, we take the hands further out. Just like that long bridge we did down on the floor. Let's do 5 breaths here. Work your armpits towards the floor. Oh, yes. Great expectations. Pip, old boy. All right, knees down. Counteract, back bend. Lace the fingers. Open the chest in the mudra. 3 breaths. Move that. I have so much good stuff here. Hopefully we get to all of it. If not, let me know below if you'd like to see a part 2 for this. All right, now long down dog again, or classic down dog. Going to take it out. Stretch it, stretch it. Now transitioning to a frozen, it's part of the down dog dance I've been doing lately. Take your right foot back behind. You can walk the hands further in if you like, and then stretch it back. So we have a little bit of a, looks like a little lunge in here as well. 3 breaths. Slide this foot back. Feel like a kickstand. Oh, so good. All right, other side, other side. Cross it over and stretch. Really loosening up your back, your posterior chain, getting some good work into the shoulders too. A good morning routine is not just all fluff and buff. It's very, you want to dig deep because you are setting the tone for the day. It can make or break your day. So treat it as such. Oh, all right, down one more time. Cobra here, or lift up into upward facing dog. Essential. Drop the shoulders, open the chest, breathe into the body. You're hitting that phase now on the floor. You're starting to energize. You're not merely waking up, you're energizing, electrifying. It's electrifying. So nice. All right, press it back. There's just so many goodies on here. Left foot forward, low lunge. Let's rock it back and forth. This is runner's lunge. This is low lunge. Getting some hip flexor action and then a lot of hamstring and calf action. Beautiful. 2 more times each one. We start to get the blood flowing. We start to add in some flowing functional movement. All right, lift it up for just a moment. Drop the arms back. There's that lift again. We like those back bends. Very proud, very open, very tall. Okay, other side, low lunge, and rock it back and forth. Use the hands for support. Okay, 2 more each one. Forward, inhale forward, exhale back. Oh, so good. Okay, forward fold, come on up. Well, I want to leave this routine with the feet planted on the ground. Bend the knees, hands can be on the thighs or arms hanging down, or grab the opposite arm. Little sway, lots of breath. Never hold the breath unless you're underwater. Okay, 1 vertebrae at a time. Let's rise up, stack, 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 stack. Oh, my string's out. Woo. Hi, 5 shoulder rolls, lifted, drop. Good, feel the height in the body. Want to keep those shoulders back and down. Who is the best Batman? That's a good question. I want to finish with the tree. Open up your left hip. Let me mirror you. Bring that heel below or above the knee or ankle on the thigh. Hands together. Focus. Leave this flow with mindfulness, with focus, with concentration. 2 more breaths. Good. Now take the arms up for just a moment and open into cactus arms. Pull those elbows back. As you're doing that, switch legs, switch sides. Increasing your natural height. Always, always. And then hands together. 3 breaths, my friend. 3 deep, life-changing breaths. You want great expectations with your breathing also, that each breath coming along is going to enhance your life, enhance everything you have. All right, bring the feet down. That was marvelous, my friends. Thanks for joining me. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Please check in below. Leave your feedback. I'm fascinated, too. Who's your favorite Batman? Michael Keaton? West? Hey, it's Sean again.
If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.